Hello beauty enthusiasts, today we're diving into the world of ultimate organization with the AROUS rolling makeup train case, a versatile 4-in-1 large capacity trolley designed to meet all your cosmetic storage needs. Crafted with a robust ABS and high-density MDF body, reinforced aluminum edges, and corners, this case promises durability and style, while its high-quality velvet lining ensures your delicate cosmetics are protected and pampered. The 4-in-1 design offers unmatched flexibility with 4 detachable compartments, allowing you to customize your storage from a compact carrying case to a full-size trolley, adapting to your ever-changing requirements. Equipped with smooth 360-degree swivel wheels, this case glides effortlessly wherever you go, and the detachable feature means you can easily replace the wheels if needed. With a remarkable load capacity of up to 80 pounds, it provides ample space for all your beauty essentials, from hair tools to nail accessories, and features lockable compartments for added security and privacy. Whether you're a professional makeup artist, hairstylist, or simply someone with a passion for beauty, this chic trolley is a must-have for organizing your collection and makes for an impressive gift. Elevate your beauty routine and travel in style with the AROUS rolling makeup train case, the perfect blend of functionality and elegance. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on future useful product reviews.